Hey, sixth grade, here's a little help for you on Workbook 109. At the top, write two expressions that are equivalent to each expression. The first one says 3F. So think about if you had 3 F's, how else could you write that? Okay, same with 4 times G and same with H plus H. You're writing two expressions for each of those. Okay, I'm going to bop down to number 4. Describe a situation, make a diagram for the expression 2A plus A. Okay, so this one, of course, when we're not in class to, to help or whatever, and I know this is extra credit, so you don't have to worry about it, and then I am going to dive into numbers 5 and 6. But for those of you wanting to do the extra credit, I just wanted to give you a quick check here. So, for example, here I just made a problem 3C plus C plus C. Okay, so if I have three C's here, actually, no, let me do that better. So this is all in its own group, okay? So here's a group of 3 C's, okay? And then we want to add another C and another C. So really, this is how you would draw the diagram, okay? And you know that when you put all those C's, or carrots, we'll say C is for carrot, okay? Put all those carrots together, you really have 5 carrots, right? So put them all together, you have 5 C's, so that's another equivalent expression. And speaking of equivalent expressions, I'll go through these with you, and those will help you for numbers 5 and 6, okay? Circle the equivalent expressions. You have to do a lot of like term grouping here. So here we have 7 D's, here we have 4 plus 2D plus D. Okay, so I have just a normal 4 out in front plus 2D and add another D, that's 3D. Okay, now I can't combine the 4 and 3 to make 7D like this, because the 4 is not a D. It's not saying 4 dogs, it just says 4 something, right? Whereas the 3 is specific, it says 3 dogs. Okay, so I can't put that all together. That's as simple as this one can go. Here we have a 4 in the front, plus group your D's together, right? A D plus a D plus a D is really 3 groups of D. So we can see that this one does not belong, it doesn't fit. However, these two are the equivalent expressions, so that's what you would circle. Okay, the bottom one, circle the equivalent expressions. If we have 3 E's and we're adding them, really we have 3 E's, right? This is a 2 out in front, that 2 is plain, plus E plus E is 2 E's, okay? The reason that's not E squared is because we're not multiplying. If we were multiplying, that would be E squared. However, we are adding, so we have 1 E plus 1 more E, we end up with 2 E's. This one is as simple as it can go. So you can see that these two are the equivalent expressions. All right, let me know if you need any other help. Good work.